Hello again, you know the drill, let's do some nerdling. Starting as always with this. Now, what are we going to have here? Are we going to have something that ends in, say, 103? That feels unlikely. So something ending in just 3 seems a lot more likely. Let's try some division for a change. 54 over 6 is 9. Divided by 3 equals 3 is a possibility. Don't like trying the duplicated 3's, but it's a possibility and the rest of it is not duplicated. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we've got the equals in the right place, which is useful. There is 1 division, but not 2. Oh, so it could be a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. No, it can't be, because it can't be 500 and something divided by something else equals 3. So, what are we thinking? 5 times 6 divided by 10? Is that consistent? I think it might be. Not only is it consistent, it's also correct. Very good. So, we move on. Oh, we've got quite a lot of reds on the bottom one. Not necessarily very helpful reds. The minus is in the wrong place. So it could be... Well, it can't be... It could be 7 times 9 minus... so that's 63. It could be minus 6 equals 57. Again, we've got the duplicated 7s, which I don't like, but the rest of it is... Oh no, the rest of it is not unique, because then the equals would be in the wrong place. So let's... Oh, well, it can't be 58 equals 5. Oh, whatever we try there, we're going to end up with a 5 here, which cannot be correct. So let's try something different. Let's have a think about the top one for a minute. What are the possibilities? 46 plus 15 equals 61. Oh no, that doesn't use the 3. Oh, I'm struggling today. How about 36 then? Okay, let's try 31 so that we can try the 4 as well. Okay. Oh, so the bottom one's now got 2 1s in. That means we've nearly got everything. It's 1 plus 1, 5 equals 7 minus and 9. So actually we do have everything. Oh. What could it be then? 7 plus 9 minus 15 equals 1. Now some of that might be in a different order, which is a little bit of an annoyance, but let's go for that and we'll see what happens. Yeah, okay, so it's probably 7 minus 15 first. That does work, yes. Nothing is in the same place as something that is also red. Okay. Not very often that we go below 0 and then come back above it. Right, so turning the attention back to the top one, we've got the plus in the right place. So something plus... Oh, it's probably something plus something plus something. 6 plus 3 plus 5 equals 14. I think that's probably quite likely to be correct, but there's only one way to find out. And it was correct. I was quite restricted by that point, I think. So, how difficult is this going to be today? Oh, I was thinking, what are we going to do with the 9 here? Because most things we get are going to be odd or even. Well, I was thinking 16 divided by 4 or 16 over 2 or 14 over 2. 14 over 2 is the only one of those that's odd. It feels like it's got to be something minus something over something. As in a minus there and a 2-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. But then where's the 9 coming from? It can't be there because 19 is prime. It can't be there because we don't have an 8 to make 18. And it can't be there because if we're starting off with something less than 9, we're not going to get up to 9. So that can't be correct. So then the only other option that I was thinking of was 9 minus something, but that doesn't give 4. And in fact it's always going to give an even number. Oh, 12 over 4, I'm an idiot. That gives us an odd number. Yes, sorry, that's obviously correct. Should have got there quicker, I think. But a minute and 25 is not too bad. Okay, so we've got lots of red digits here. Let's try, I don't know, 10 plus 4 minus 8. Oh no, plus or minus, so it's all about the division. So it's going to be 104 divided by, no, not divided by 20, that's, no, yeah, it is 17. No, it's 106, but we haven't got a 6, so that can't be correct. Oh, no good at huge division sums. Oh, it's 13. Sorry. That's what I meant to do the previous guess. But it turns out that it's hopelessly wrong anyway. And the answer isn't 4. 108 divided by 27? Yeah. That was quicker than the previous one. That's the only good thing we can say about that. Not a great solve, to be fair. 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers being divided by each other makes for tricky solves. At least if you're trying to do it quickly. Starting just with a random sum for this one, but oh, we've not got a lot of information. Well, we've got some. Could be worse. We've got enough to make a good guess on the second one. That almost certainly wasn't unique at that stage. Although maybe it was, because the equals had to go here. Very few places we could have used for 1 apart from here. Maybe that was actually completely forced. Well, it could have been 6 plus 9. Okay, so it definitely wasn't completely forced. But maybe it was a lot more restricted than I realised. That's going to be a 2 for the top one. So what do we think? 20 divided by 5? I don't want to try 24 divided by 6 because that's too many repeated digits. Oh, and it turns out I should have tried something different. I mean, it could be 28 over 7. Let's think about the bottom one first. Let's try 7 plus 6 because that tries out the 7 and the 6, so we'll get some information on the top one. And there is just a 6. It's not going to be 26 divided by something, so it's going to have to be 24 over 6. And then the bottom one, oh, I didn't notice. I got incredibly close with that guess. And there we have it. So that's the full set of Nerdle as always. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.